In front of me is Poco F4 and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock on this device. First of all, go into Devices Settings, scroll down and choose Password and Security. Now click on Screen Lock and tap on the best login method for you, pattern PIN or password. When you're ready, click on the chosen one, wait 5 seconds and choose Got it in the pop-up. Now you need to enter your login method and then repeat it. When you're ready, choose Confirm at the bottom right corner. If you wish to add your fingerprint as well, you can do that by tapping on Add and following all of the instructions. I will go with Cancel though. Now when I click Home button, turn off my screen and then turn it back on. As you can see, pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!